Amen. We don't have to manipulate people. Sometimes even some pastors can manipulate with money. They hire people. Pay them a salary. Sometimes they support them financially. And in that support there is a manipulation. Yeah? Now in some churches, let me give you another pastoral Egyptian trick. When people come to church and pastors discover they have skills. They are smart, they're intelligent, they can play the violin, whatever. Then we give them a responsibility. No, not we, pastors. I don't do that. And responsibility is given them to keep them in the land. Because if you have a responsibility in the church, it's more difficult to leave if you want to leave. Because then the pastor will say, my goodness, if you leave, we have a problem. Who will play the violin the way you do? When you play violin, heaven comes down. If you go, heaven will not come down. You destroy the whole church for me. Okay, pastor, I will stay with you. That's not right. That's manipulation. That's buying people. That's why I've seen that happen. Behind the curtains, you don't know what happened. All the tricks to keep people. Just for numbers. Or because we need some workers. David needed a lot of workers to raise a whole kingdom and become a king. But he did not start a recruiting campaign. He didn't take people. He received people. Some people came, they could kill people with both hands, right hand and left hand. Some of them, they were running like lions. He didn't say, oh, I want a guy like that. I can pay you some salary. God sent them to me. Do you know the story? First Chronicle, I don't remember, 11 or 12 or something. There was a whole chapter about people coming to him. Maybe we should find it. Where is it? First Chronicles 11, maybe 12. Have a look at this. Now these were the men who came to David at Ziklag while he was still fugitive from Saul the son of Kish. Was he a king?
Тэр хаан байсан уу энэ?
No.
Үгүй.
Not yet.
Болоогүй хараахан.
Did he have a fortune, wealth, a castle?
Түүнд ордон байв уу? Эд баялаг байв уу тэр? Үгүй.
He had a cave in the wilderness.
Тэр цүлийн агуу дуудаж байсан.
He had many caves in the wilderness. He was running from cave to cave.
Түүнд бол зөндөө олон агуу байсан. Нэг агуусаа нөгөө рүү зогссон.
While he was a fugitive.
Тэр яагаад юм байсан бэ гэж?
He didn't have a platform. He didn't have
Түүнд бүр одоо тогтмол одоо оршин суудаг.
He didn't have a salary to offer people.
Гэж байгаагүй. Тэр ч ойлгоо хүмүүс төлөйг цалин
He didn't even have a house to offer them.
Тэдэнд өгөх орон байрч байгаагүй.
He couldn't even offer them a future.
Тэдэнд дэш амлах ирээдүйч байгаагүй байхгүй Давидэд.
Are you with me? Nothing to offer.
Хүмүүст өгөх юм юу ч аа.
Not even a chair.
Тэ сандалж авахгүй.
Or a toothbrush. Nothing.
Шүтний сайдч байхгүйсэн та хүмүүст өгөх.
Nothing to tempt them with.
Тэднийг тэгээд нэг өөртөө татчих юм байна.
They came to him.
Гэсэн ч гэсэн тэд нар түүнлөө ирсэн байна.
Are you with me?
Тийм үү?
Who sent them?
Хэн тэднийг илгээвэ?
God sent them.
Бурхан илгээсэн байгаа байхгүй.
They had heard when they heard David.
Давидын тухай тэд нар сонсохдоо.
When they heard the piano, the guitar was resonating.
Тэдний нөгөө нэг гитар, keyboard хоёр хэлхэн хоорондоо харилцан дуурдаг шиг утсан үдсэн биш.
You remember the picture from yesterday?
Өчигдөр би ярьж өгсөн тийм.
When David spoke,
Давид ярихад
something in them was resonating.
Түүнлээ ирсэн хүмүүсийн дотор нэг юм дин гэдэг уурсан байгаа.
Amen. Later, after the death of Saul,
Саул нас орсны дараа
the captain of the army of Saul,
Саулын армийн одоо дарга нь,
whose name was Abner.
Abner гэж нэртэй жанжин байгаа.
Abner came to David.
Давид дээр ирсэн.
I will not give you the context, just some small details.
Бүтэн түүхийг ярихгүй зөвхөн жижигхэн деталь.
You can read the story yourself.
Та нар өөрсдөө уншаарай тэрийг.
You know, we also need information. We need to know certain things.
Бид нар үнээр зарим нэг зүйлийг мэдэх гарцаагүй шаардлагатай учраас би яриад байна.
Because the stories are so powerful.
Яг энэ түүхүүд цаана ямар агуу гэж.
But first we have to get the information about what happened.
Гэхдээ болсон зүйлийн дараах мэдээллийг эхлээд бид нар авах.
Then God has to give us understanding about what happened.
Тэгсний дараа Бурхан тэр түүхийн цаана юу болсон талаас сүнслэг ойлголтыг.
If you don't know about Abner,
та Абнерийн тухай мэдээ
what understanding can God give you?
Бурхан танд ямар ойлголт өгч.
Abner came to David.
За Абнер Давид руу ирлээ. Давид.
Because of a certain situation.
Тодорхой нөхцөл байдлын улмаас.
He said, David, I am the captain of the army of Saul.
Давид би Саулын армийн жанжин байна.
Saul is dead now.
Саул өвчтэй.
But I'm still in that house, in the house of Saul.
Гэсэн ч гэсэн би одоо Саулын ордонд байж байна.
But I remember you.
Харин би чамаас санаж байна.
I remember what God spoke to you.
Бурхан чамд юу шийснээ санаж
I remember what happened to you.
Бурхан чамтай юу
I
тохиолдсыг санаж
remember what people said, what you said.
Хүмүүс чиний юу хэлжсэнийг тухай хүмүүс юу ярьжсэнийг би
And
санаж.
now I have decided
Одоо би шийдсэн.
I will join you.
Би чамтай хамт байна.
And with me I will bring the whole house.
Чамтай хамт би чамруу би бүх гэрийг авцрыг Израиль.
Because of what? Because he had heard the voice.
Абнер дуу хоолойг сонссон байхгүй.
That voice he carried for many years.
Олон жилийн турш түүний дотор би дуу хоолой
Until
явж
one
байсан.
day
Нэг өдөр
he connected.
тэр шууд тэр дуу хоолойг холбогдчихж байгаа.
So this man, they came to him
Тэгээд тэр хүн
while he was still a fugitive.
тэр Давид дээр ирсэн байгаа.
Some people join churches when the church is doing well.
Тэгэхээр зарим хүмүүс сүм үнээр дажгүй явж байхад ирдэг сүмд бай.
When the church goes through a crisis, they leave the church and go to another church who has a good season.
Харин сүм тодорхой одоо хүнд үеийг даван туулж явах үед тэд нар тэрийг олоход илүү сайн явж байгаа сүм рүү яваад.
And when there is a problem there, they are gone to the third church.
Тэдний асуудал юу вэ гэхээр тэд нар 3 дахь руугаа тун удахгүй явна.
They joined him not when he was at the top, but when he was at the bottom of his life.
Тэгэхээр Давидыг тэрүүн биш амьдралын бүр ёроол байхад нь дагахаар ирж байгаа.
Because it's not about top or bottom, it's about